Today's Friday. NFP. So yeah, we have running positions. I'm about to open my Darwin dashboard. Right, we have open positions. So I've been, if you look here, I've been on. Okay, if you joined my last technical Tuesday, we talked about GBPAUD longs. GBPAUD longs was closed around this area, so we had another entry here around this. So this should really open. We had another entry around here, so kind of a break and retest, price breaking out of this daily supply. Now we should be looking at like further longs to the upside. So we are in this, and also if you look at, we are also in EU shorts. A long position, a very it's a swing position on EU. We've been short on EU since last week. So technically here was a point of what demand, right, that created a new high, but it was filled, price broke through it, and now price is retesting it. So it's technically it's a very nice sell from this region here. Technically it's a nice sell from this region here, but all falls on the all depends on the what fundamentals. Let's get to our Darwin dashboard. You can see right now we're about 400, we're about almost for GA we're sitting at about 1% profit on GA, not up to 1% profit, but that GA has been really ranging. I entered this position 2 days back, so it has been, I think I entered it on Wednesday, and it has been ranging. For EU, you see EU is still on the shorts. But one thing I did with EU is I protected my position. I was supposed to make this even $1, 1%. I was supposed to make this 1%. Okay, let me make this 1%. So kind of looking at my position on 1%, just in case. Guys, let me just keep it at this 0.5%. So I'm looking at my position of 0.5%. I don't really trade the news, right? I don't like trading the news because there are lots of manipulation. So in case anything bad happens right now, I could just really be fucked up on this trade. But anyways, managing. We're managing the trade position. 2 seconds. 1. We are out. So guys, as I said on GBPAUD, playing as I just said on GBPAUD, see that spike to the downside. On EU, what I will see on EU spikes to the downside, sure. So but we're not really bothered on EU because we have our SL above, right? We have our SL above. Let's just keep watching. I don't know what the figures are right now. What are the figures like? What are the figures like? See, the move could have happened before the figures come out here. Kind of lagging. Let's see. EU is coming to our SL. I'll tag the SL. Might be tagged out from EU in no time. Seems like we're gonna be tagged out from EU. Yeah, we tagged out on EU. So EU is already cancelled. We already tagged out from EU. EU hit our trade stop. Yeah, EU hit our trade stop. So the narrative for EU could be really changed today. Yeah, EU hit our trade stop. So EU to the upside. Yeah, that's something we're swinging, guys. So we're done with EU. Actually, EU is not a very big. It's not a big P actually, because we actually made a lot of profit from EU. Let's just check last month. That's last week. EU, we made around 3.2% profit though. on EU. Not bad, not bad. Profit is profit, guys. See, don't, one thing you have to understand is that you don't have to feel really bad. One thing you have to understand is that you don't have to feel really bad for closing profits that you don't expect to close. Like, you don't, kind of small profits, don't feel bad for that. Honestly, a profit is profit. Just know that profit is profit, and it's very good to scale our positions. If you look at this, our position here, you see that we scaled out position around this region, scaled out some positions here. I just left only one position to run for the NFP, and the NFP didn't play as planned, and we are seeing price really trading to the downside. Honestly, it's very fine. It's very, very fine. So for our week so far, let's say the start of this week was 2nd of for our week so far, we've made about 10% profit, right? 10% profit. So I'm really done with gold. I'm really done with EU right now. So we made about 10% profit on EU, right? 10% profit on EU. So 10% of our balance on EU, and yeah, that's nice. I don't feel bad or anything, stuff like that. I don't feel bad. It's still a good win. Anyways, we're still on GBPAUD. This guy is still playing. This guy is still playing around. So yep, GBPAUD, I think we're going to allow GBPAUD to play for the long time. Like, the NFP report is out. Before GBPAUD starts really doing its move, it's going to take like the whole NMS session. So there is nothing to lose. We don't even know the figures. Okay, the figures should be out by now. Guys, like, this thing lags so much. Like, I don't like. Actually, it was negative. It was negative. Really, really, really negative. Beyond market expectations. So dollar, we've seen that dollar could be going up. Dollar could be going up, guys. Dollar could be going up. Ooh, Euro USD, our final target on Euro USD was not met. So I won't be surprised if this week candles engulf this candle, and next week we're looking for the upside move today. Well, honestly, I felt like Euro USD was supposed to tap to this region, at least tap to this region before it drop out, before it long to the upside. But NFP reports have just proven us that, have just told us that, bro, you guys have to be really patient. You guys have to be really, really patient. Not so a good day. Let's check our down, guys. Our profit has reduced. Our profit for this current month has reduced now to 0.72. Right, that's reduced to about 0.50. It was around 1 before. So guys, yeah, this is how my dashboard looks like this month. We are basically up this month, sure. We're basically up this month. Yeah, so